Hi, all of you. So, today I will be talking about three activities which can develop more vocabulary of your child. And yes, because vocabulary plays very important role when it comes to expressive language. They need to learn, they need to remember more words. There is no alternate to this. You have to develop words and then only their vocabulary will start developing, and when their vocabulary will start developing, then only their expressive language will start. They will able to express themselves in terms of language. It is something like a water. When we are planting a tree, we want to grow a tree, we have to water it. ठीक है, सनलाइट देना है, एयर चाहिए, देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स, बट वाटर इज समथिंग विच इज प्राइमरी थिंग. एंड टू मेक योर चाइल्ड डेवलप देयर expressive language, you need to work on their vocabulary part, which is primary and very basic thing. So agar we will make them, every time we will make them sit and read books, and there are alternate to that also. There are times when kids are not very attentive when you are reading books to your child. Books can never be replaced. Try to understand, I'm not saying books are not important. In my three activities, one is books, but you have to make these activities playway activities so that their curiosity is developed, they are more interested in listening, and they are more receptive. So वो कब होगा? When you will make these activities in a way that they are very attractive, they are you are developing curiosity and they are having fun. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video.
Hi, I am a mom of two and a modern mother who want to embrace every moment of parenting, knowing how quickly our little ones grow and leave us with the precious memories. However, I know how easy it is for gadgets to take up too much of our time, leaving less for our children. That's why I'm passionate about gadget free parenting, where technology has its place but never empowers the essence of true connection with our kids. Welcome to my channel where we focus on mindful gadget-free parenting.
Okay, so number one activity which I want to share to increase the vocabulary power of your child, and that is play a game. Where is this? So now, where is car? Let your child go and pick up that car. If your child don't know, is not able to relate car word and with the toy car, you go and pick up that. Where is? You go and pick up the car and show this is car. So pick up 10 objects at a time. Don't pick like entire basket. Take 10 objects and play with where is ball. So your ball, you will show the ball. After doing with 10 objects for 7 to 10 days, you will observe whenever you are trying to pick up something, where is car, your son, your daughter will start picking up. So we need to make them understand real object and that word. Once they are able to do that, definitely you have to spend time, you have to stay with your child. मोबाइल को थोड़ी देर छोड़ देना पड़ेगा, बट यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट आफ्टर 10 days they have learned 10 different objects, or maybe they will start responding after third day only. So you have to be very patient, consistently keep on doing activities, because patience and consistency is something which is most important when we are developing words, when we are developing language in our kids. And second activity is create a bag. एक बैग बना लो छोटा सा. Okay, again put 10 objects, 10 toys inside the bag. उसके बाद every night pick up that bag and say, okay, अभी we'll do this activity. Night में it will take 5 minutes, not more than that. but it will leave a great impact because जब रात को उसका your child will sleep, their subconscious mind will be active. Okay, and it will help your child to learn those words. तो जब आपने बैग में 10 टॉयज डाल दिए, नाउ पिक अप वन टॉय ऐसे ऐसे, ओ दिस इज कार, दिस इज बॉल, दिस इज समथिंग डॉल. सो जब आप ये टॉयज निकाल के कर रहे हो, आफ्टर व्हेन यू फील कि माई चाइल्ड्स वोकेबलरी हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड, आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन देयर color part, you can again do this activity. This is red car, this is orange ball. इस तरह से you can start developing their colors also. So this activity will you can like customize this activity as per your choice, but this activity try to do this activity at night, because जब उनका subconscious mind सो जाएगा तो उनका subconscious mind will be active, and their subconscious mind is very powerful than their conscious mind. All right, and third activity is start reading books with your child every day. If you have time, if you can spare time, read books at least 2 to 3 times in a day. If you don't have that much of time, you are a busy parent, then I would recommend कि ये सारी activities try to do after dinner. Set as a night ritual. Night ritual की तरह काम करिए, so that अभी we had done a bag activity. Now we will start reading books. तो books को you don't have to read books line by line. Initially what you can do, picture books ले लीजिए and start showing pictures and then books and then words. Gradually what you can do, जो भी पिक्चर्स आ रही हैं ना रियल ऑब्जेक्ट या रियल टॉयज के साथ ऑल्सो यू कैन डू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर देयर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ नोज, सो टच योर चाइल्ड्स नोज एंड से दिस इज नोज, दिस इज माई नोज, दिस इज योर नोज. सो द वे यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग दीज एक्टिविटीज, उनका सेंस भी स्टार्ट वर्किंग. दे विल स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वो टच क्या होता है, सेंस कैसे काम करता है. दिस इज माई आईज, बिकॉज जब टच के साथ सिग्नल जाएगा उनके दिमाग में, इट विल बी ईजी फॉर देम टू रिमेंबर. अभी व्हेन यू आर शोइंग बॉल, शो बॉल, दिस इज बॉल. तो जब यू विल शो बॉल, उनका दे आर टचिंग दैट बॉल, उनको दे आर विजुअलाइजिंग दैट थिंग. तो उनका जो सिग्नल है ब्रेन के पास जा रहा है, दैट इज मोर पावरफुल देन जस्ट मेकिंग देम रिमेंबर वर्ड्स. सो ट्राई दीज 3 activities. Do this consistently for 21 days and observe changes in your child's vocabulary. You can start this activity even when your child is 13-14 months old. So करके देखिए and share your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that is how I can feel your love. Thank you so much.